Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Jtraedz TV, where we discuss all stock-related contents and much more. Had to come on a little early, guys, because I do have to leave later on around lunch hours, guys, to run a few errands. But I had to jump on to help you guys out as much as possible. In my Discord, shout out to the ones, to my traders who did catch that nice little pullback towards the downside. I will break it down. I did alert this, guys, to let you guys know that I did put this. Let me go to it. So, doing my Discord, guys, I did call this morning. I said that basically we were in the range of 670 tops, 667.30 bottoms. I said for longs, you had buys, we need to break above the 670 level for the possible push up towards the 672.50, which is the pivot point, up to 674 to 675. For sellers, we would need to crack the 667.30 for the potential pullback down towards 666 down to 664. Few moments later, guys, what happened? I also reposted it right here. You can see right here, we ran up towards 670, got rejected hard, got that nice pullback. We cracked what? 667.30, and started to get that pullback towards that 66 level and 64 region. And I put right here, guys, for sellers, we need to crack 667.30 right here. I said for the potential pullback towards 666 to 664. And there you go. You got that nice pullback shout out, and then we got that bounce right back up to the upside. So shout out to my puts who did catch that on the downside, and then to move right back on up. Let me move this back over real quick, guys. So right now we back in this range, the range that I did alert this morning. We are back in the range of top 670, bottoms around that 660, 667.30. So we're back in this range after we had this nice little sell off. And this reclaim, we are back in this range again, guys. Kind of in this little choppy situation. Market still trying to figure out which way it wants to go. Again, for the long side, we definitely want to get that break above 670 for that push up towards 672. Shorts, you got to get back above that 667.30 level for that nice pullback down. But I wouldn't be short at this time. We already just had the shorting opportunity. In order for us to have another opportunity on the short side, we definitely want to crack back underneath that key level and keep that, keep the bad ball rocking and rolling back down towards the 66. Down to the 64, creating a downtrend. Right now, buyers are trying to hold this key level, trying to stay within this range. Just keep this on watch. Got some strong lower shadows, so just be careful trying to short this at this time. So the shorting opportunity already occurred. So right now, you have buyers trying to hold this key level, holding up this range. Again, buyers, we need to get that re-break above that 670 level. So far, from yesterday until today, you see no candle successfully breaking above that price point. If you notice, every time you run up to 670, rejected, 670, rejected, 670, rejected. So you know where that brick wall is at. You know where the sellers are sitting at, which is 670. Thus keeping us in that range. Now, buyers, we definitely want to stay on top of this 667.30. We want to hold that bottom for that possible reversal back up. So just keep that on watch. As far as other blue chip companies we do have, guys, Apple, we had a nice clean run. We did hold that 74 level up to 80. So we went on a $6 movement. Right now it's holding the range around 78 to 80. So kind of like in the $2 range right now with Apple. But Apple definitely had a nice move. I do see somewhat of like a little bull flag pattern on the 5-minute time frame. So definitely keep your eyes peeled to see can buyers hold that 278 for that possible push back up the retest to 280. Let's see. Oh, my bad, Tariq. I forgot to turn my thing back on. Good morning, boss. I turned the voice thing back on. And good call this morning, man. Congratulations on your profits too, man. Oh, I know you did. I killed it today, boss. Man, shout out to you. Yeah, you killed it. You definitely killed it. And the thing that you was talking about, as far as IWM, that level that we need to break, man, shout out to you, boss. Shout out to you. Now, and I'll break it down on the level I brought up to your attention this morning on IWM.
55.98 says, I'm done trading. Tarek Wheelam 55.98 says, I'm on break.
Got you.
Tarek Wheelam 55.98 says, just stop to say hi.
Man, appreciate you for coming through, boss. Appreciate you. Let me go to IWM real quick while I do have you, T. And I'm going to show you on why I called that level out on IWM on the level that we need to break out.
Wheelam 55.98 says, ABD wish you happy Thanksgiving and all of you happy holidays.
Man, appreciate you. Now you see the level. Look right here, boss. Look where we at. Remember that level we talked about this morning, IWM? And we can get that break above that, 240, 250 for that possible push up to 44 to 45. There you go. So, and the reason why I was calling it out, because that was going to put you above that 50 SMA and started where we have a lot of room to push up towards the upside because you're above all indicators. So that was one of the reasons why I was calling out IWM towards that 240-250 range. So right now we're at 240-245, the levels that we talked about. So if we can get that break above that 240-250, we have room to possibly push our way back up towards the 244s to 245s when we got that nice move on up towards the upside, take out these tops. You did get rejected around almost around 245 back on down. So you do have room to push up towards these areas. So 244.50 up to 245. But now, good call, good trade, boss. Man, keep up the great work, man. Keep up the great work. So I mean, everything came into play as far as your play. SPY, everything I called out for these for the traders. And right now, guys, as I mentioned, long as those buys hold 67.30, look for that possible break of above that 670 level. If we can get that break, we'll have room to push up towards that pivot point. So right now, buys are holding. That's why I told shorts, do not go for a short. As I told you guys, that shorting opportunity was this morning. That's already happened. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go and look towards the long side now. Long as this level holds and long as this uptrend holds, guys, again, buys are going to try to go for that 670 break. So right now, it's still looking a little positive. Again, look like buys may try to go for that push up towards that pivot point. Keep that on watch. We do have an uptrend still holding this position. Let's go back a little bit. I mean, we do still have like this little uptrend setup still going on too, as well. We go back a little bit on the 5. I mean, you're still uptrending. Well, today's Tuesday, right? Yeah. So from Friday, Monday into Tuesday, I mean, you've definitely been building an uptrend. So, I mean, definitely been building an uptrend, still trying to go back up towards these highs. So, we just got to definitely get that break above that 670 for that push up towards that pivot, up towards these highs here. That was, last Thursday's level, if I'm not mistaken. So, definitely keep your eyes peeled on that, guys. But, yeah, I wouldn't be shorting right now. I mean, that shorting situation already happened. Don't even try, don't force anything. Right now, buyers have control at this time. Now, the only way you're going to have another shorting opportunity is if we fall back underneath this key level and hold for that possible pull back down to the 66, 64s. But right now, this is an uptrend, guys. Especially for my shorts, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend right now. So as you can see, look, the buys are pushing. Look at this. So don't force. Don't go against the grain. Look at this. Still squeezing. So do not go against the grain right now. Do not go against the grain. You still got Apple with this bull flag pattern. We want to get that break above 280 for that possible push up to 282. So shorts, just be careful, dude. Don't short right now at the time. Buyers have control. Watch this 670 level to see can we get this break. If they can hold for that possible pull back down, I mean, you have an opportunity to rotate from the bottoms to the tops, from tops back to the bottoms, thus keeping us in this range again. So you know where your tops is located, you know where your bottoms are located. So right now, bottoms already been tested. Buys are now trying to go back to retest right around that 670 level. Keep it on watch because we got to get this pre-market break right here. We got to definitely get this break above pre-market level for that push above 70. So let's put like a little preset right here, right around where the pre-market level is, right about here. Put a little preset, and then we know where the top is around 70 at this moment. What was the open on that? 669.61. All right, 669.61. It's gonna be like a little preset area, a little small preset area for right now. I'm gonna put in yellow too as well. All right, little preset area, like right here. So pre-market tops right here, this little area we got stuffed, and then the 670s itself. So these are the two areas we need to get above. We need to break above those key levels, especially 670. Want to get that breakout. I mean, they're trying to go for it. Right now, we're testing the pre-market area right here. Then we need to test these highs and get that push. So let's see what we get, guys. Let's see what we get. Right now, Apple's still looking good. Bull flagging right now. Oh yeah, damn. Yeah, y'all remember I told y'all about Meta, right? You remember let me ask, who's trading Meta? Who's trading Meta at this time? Y'all remember I told y'all about Meta. You remember at the beginning I said, man, the main thing we want, once we break above 600, you remember I told you that Meta had the lowest RSI, which had a lot more room to run?
55.98 says. J boss, thanks though, your analysis really helped cement my trade bias, so big thanks boss.
Man, no problem at all, T, man. You keep up the great work. Now, thank you so much for always, dropping gems, in Discord, man, helping other traders as well, man. We definitely appreciate you. And thank you for being a part of the group, man. Appreciate you, boss. But yeah, guys, who is trading Meta? Because y'all remember, I told y'all Meta was going to be a slow creeper, and one of the ones that was going to break out sooner or later. Because remember, we went over Meta. Meta had the lowest RSI out of all the blue chip companies. I said Meta, if we get back above 220, I'm sorry, what was it, 620, right? Yeah, 620. We get back above 620, you have room to run up towards that 640. And right now, based off of my price points up here, Meta, right now we are testing around 626 to 626 level. Still got room to push up to that 640. Let me take a look at Meta right now. I mean, because Meta, as I told y'all, man, I told y'all to gear up for Meta. That Meta was going to have an opportunity to push to the upside. And look at that. Still pushing. Remember that? We talked about it since it was at 600. 600. Held at 610. Got back above 620. So you got about, $10 more to get that push up to 640? 640? How much higher can we go, though? Let me see. Let me check it out. I got my little list. Do I got Meta in my little list right here? My blue chip list? Meta. There we go. Meta. And this is the reason why. Look right here, guys. You got back above the 9 MA, 20 MA to fill that gap up towards that 50 SMA. That's right at what price point? 640. That's why I kept telling everybody, man, don't take your eyes off of Meta. Meta. I saw these bottoms holding 580. Then you got back on top of this 608, pushed your way up to 610. Now above 620. So look at this. You went from the 9 MA. And matter of fact, let me go to a bigger chart so y'all can see it. Watch that key level, guys. Watch this key level. Still getting rejected at the pre-market highs right here on SPY. Keep that on watch. Keep it on watch. Let me go to Meta real quick. Meta. Where you at? Meta. And like I said, guys, I was calling out Meta since Meta was like in the 580s. I was alerting you guys way ahead of time on this. So, man, I hope some of y'all took that Meta trade. I hope some of y'all took Meta. Because I've been warning y'all since like few weeks ago on Meta. Let's go back. Look right here. Bam. Right there in y'all face. Look right here. What held? 580. Then we got back on top of the 9 MA. Filled up that gap to the 20 MA. Got us back on top of the 608. Now in this little potential gap fill. Look at this. Still got room to run towards that 50 SMA, guys. Once you get that break above that 630, you're $10 away from pushing towards that next indicator, which is the 50 SMA. So look at this. You're doing a gap fill from the 9 and the 20 MA up towards that 50 SMA. So look all the room you still have to go up towards the upside. But I've been calling this to everybody since 600. 600. And still has room to possibly still push to the upside. And look right here. Tops, 640. 640. So if we get that nice push, imagine where we can still go. We still got $10 to still push on this bad boy. But I've been telling you guys this since 600. 600. Come on, SPY. Got to get that 670 break. 670 break. 670 break. Come on, buyers. Buyers got it. I mean, like I said, we can get this push above that 670. I mean, we definitely got room to run possibly up towards that pivot point of that 672. Just got to get this breakout. Got to get this little breakout. So you're getting hammered right at 670. That's where your sellers. Sellers trying to stop those buys from breaking. If they can get this push, that's gonna take that area away from the sellers. If we can get that push and that break above 670, that'll put us in a new range. That'll take us out of this range into a new range. So that means 670 will now be support. 672 possibly be, resistance, kind of keep you in a low range until we break above that price point. So we want to go from this range now to this range. So we want to come from this bottom to this top. So we have to cross this pivot point or this little mid area to get now to the top portion of that range. So right here, your bottoms, 663, 667.30 bottoms, 672.50 tops, mid area 670. So that's gonna be your make or break, that separation from bears and bulls. So right now the bears are protecting 670 because they're not allowing the bulls to cross it. But the minute we break above that 670 level, we got a lot of space and opportunity towards that pivot point. So we just gotta get that breakout. Let me see. Meta, we just gotta get that 630 break. I'm gonna put an alert at 630 if I do happen to take my eyes off on it. But 630, we get that breakout. We got room to run up to 640. So for my Meta traders, I hope y'all caught that trade, man. I hope y'all caught it. I've been calling this bad boy out since 600. because today's what, Tuesday? So, yeah, right here on Monday. Monday, you still would have had a good swing trade. 600, 610, 620. From 60, you've been about like damn near $20 plus. Almost up 30. Would have been a good, beautiful swing trade on that.
Tarek Wheelam 5598 says.
No. Go ahead, boss.
Quick question.
Go ahead.
For breaking you attention on SPY, but real quick. IWM broke 243 like you called. Didn't think I had that in the tank today, so you see that push still to 245.
Let's go back to it. I got you. No, I got you, boss. Let me go back to it real quick. Nah, it's no problem. Let me take a look at it real quick. Let's see. Yeah, and I'm let's go to my chart real fast. IWM. But remember I told you what price point to watch out for. Remember I told you the area we need to break was that 240-250 first. Oh, I'm gonna switch this over. CRWV just been, it ain't been holding like I've been thought it was gonna do. All right, let's see. IWM. Boom. Let's go back. Right about. Yep. So right now it's still looking good. I mean, right now you're on a bearish rally. Bullish rally. I'm sorry. So ever since these bottoms, 228 lows, I mean, you've been on this bullish rally ever since. You done got above all the indicators. You done got above the 50 SMA. Yeah, as long as we can hold, I mean, we definitely above that 240-250 that we talked about this morning. Me and you talked about this morning. So let me put a little price point there. 240-250. So right there, we're above that little area. Next key level is going to be up towards that 44 to 45. Be up towards these little areas here where you got stuffed at. So let's put that price point towards these little candles right about here. When you got stuffed at, ran up, got rejected, ran up, got rejected. It's gonna put you around 44.50, about 44.50 to 45. So yeah, you got what we at right now, 43. So you probably got $1.02 left in the tank. Because I mean, it's nothing to hold you back other than natural levels themselves. Because you're above all indicators. You're above the 9 MA, 20 MA. You already did a gap fill up from these indicators to that indicator. Now you're above the 50 with possible room to possibly still squeeze. As long as you still remain holding 240, 250, those buys can continuously push. Because look at this engulfing green candle. Engulfing green candle, I mean, it's still looking good.
5598 says, I'm a little disappointed. I had him calls 243 strike at 6
Watch,
cents at 53 cents, and now it's over 100.
I told you.
Bigger gains, I can't just not take profit. ABDB.
Boss, what was that area we talked about?
98 says, watching contracts go past 100.
I told you. Look right here. Remember? Look right here. My Discord. I said IWM. I said buyers need to break and hold above 240, 250. If buyers can successfully hold above that level, we could see a potential push towards 44.50 to 45. So I gave you a heads up on it. So I mean, but we'll see. It's still got time. Right now, where we at 44, 43, 20. All right. So want to see a break of 43.50 of the 44. Right now, candle still engulfing, still looking good. Still has a lot of room to possibly push up to the upside. Definitely keeping that on watch. Let me see. Let me go to IWM real quick, boss. IWM. Where we at? Yeah, so we didn't broke above that price. We didn't broke above 240, 250. Yep, we're running possibly run up to 44. We're still on this uptrend. Still coasting. All right, so let me adjust my because I know the first area we talked about that we did get above was 42.50. We did get above that price point. So 42.50. All right, let me bring this up a little bit. Take this one off. 42.50. The possible push up to 44. Let me see what these tops is that we had before. Yep, see 42.50 held up at support at one point. See, held 42.50, then ran up to 44, then back down to 42.50. 42.50 held up before, ran all the way up to 46. 42.50 held up before, ran all the way up to 45. So you can see how powerful that support line is once you break above 42.50. So 42.50, and you can see the tops. You can definitely see the tops as we get that push back up. So let's see, and we above 42.50 right now. See 42.50. So let's go ahead and try to see how we can look at this real quick. All right, so let me set my little bars. I'm gonna put 44.50. tops right now. All right, 44.50. Still pushing on up to the upside, so that means we need a break above. And then we still got SPY, guys. Still got SPY. Boom! Boom! Told you. Let's see can they hold it. I told y'all. 670, baby. That's why I told puts, don't do it. I told you, don't do it. Damn, it's too late for me to even put the dang 43.50. I was just about to do it. Started squeezing up immediately. God, dog. Yeah, it didn't wait for me to do nothing. God dang. Alright, testing where we at. 43.57. Alright, let's see. Jeez Louise. It ain't wait on me. It didn't wait on me for nothing. And my alert, let me see. 44 to 44.50. I'm gonna put my alert to see. It's gonna be around that, like I said, it's gonna be around that area. I know for sure we can push up as high as 44.50 alert. I told y'all. Y'all thought I was BSing on SPY? I told y'all. I told you. So I told puts, don't you dare do it. I told y'all, don't you dare do it. Don't try to go against the grain. I told y'all, uptrend. All we gotta do is get that break above 670. Bam! Ooh! Woo! Ooh! Woo! Look at that beautiful thing there. Still squeezing. What we got left before we close? Oh, it's a new candle. Where we at right now? Almost 71. 71. Where's my alert at? I got 72.50. 72.50. I'm gonna put my alert at 72. Just for the. I'll put it at 72. But I still see that pivot is still at 72.50 though. But I'm gonna put my alert at 72 though. Alright, 72.50. 72. Alright, as far as IWM that me and T-Dub was talking about, 44 to 44.50. I'll put 44. Well, I mean, we ain't too far from it. There's really no point of making an alert on this. We're going to possibly hit it in due time. Let's see. I told you. You got that break above that 42.50? Where we could possibly run up to. I told you. I told you. I wouldn't lie to you. I told you. Still got Apple on the bull flag pattern. We just got to get that break above 280. Still got SPY pushing. Still, ooh, Jesus. Ooh, that bad boy still squeezing. Damn, that bad boy still ripping. Holy crap. I told y'all shorts not to, I told you not to short. I warned you, don't short yet. I just told y'all be mindful of that. I told you be mindful. Don't get caught. Don't get caught in the bear trap. I'm trying to.
55.98 says, well, Jay, thanks. I took another in-call trade. Quick 15K LOL. This is just insane.
Boss, I told you. I told you.
Big thanks.
Man, no problem at all, boss. No, man. I told you. I told you. So right now, let me see. Getting a little bit of a pullback, baby. But just, yeah, keep it on watch. So, right now, we want to hold, we want to stay above that 43.50. We want to stay above 43.50 on IWM. Right now, I know we're pulling back. Getting a little bit of a pullback on SPY as well. So what is that? Was that 71.50? On SPY? Let me see. 671. Let me see. Damn, man, that boy made 15 G's in a few minutes. A few seconds. Nah, we ain't pushed all the way up to it yet. We haven't pushed all the way up to it yet. Not yet. So the main thing that we want to do is hold, stay above 670. That's what you want to do right now, Longs. On SPY, we don't want this candle to fall back underneath. We want to turn 670 now from resistance now to support. So I mean, even if the candle closes, like and we the new candle comes in, we want to make sure that new 5-minute candle that comes in stay above 670. So right now, this one is holding on top. So that's going to help the next candle come in. So let's just make sure we stay on top of that. Nadia!
Now out of money today watching. I have $CRWB calls waiting to get positive.
I ain't gonna lie. Nadia, the main stock, I'm gonna be honest with you. 15K! Where my donation? T, where my donation?
I said stop ABD. Took out almost 1,000 contracts like you saw it 240 64 target high. I'm not being greedy.
No. Yeah. Just keep. Yeah, you made your profit. Yeah. Just chill. Just chill.
3.7s is good enough to
Yeah. Just chill.
Tarek Wheelam 5598 says, this is all margin, so it will take a while to settle.
Yeah, take your time, boss. Take your time. So yeah, guys, you see right here on your 5 minute.
Says, we missed you, Tarek.
He's Nadia. He's in the Discord. I gave you the link yesterday.
Tarek Wheelam 5598 says, likewise, bud.
Yeah, he's in the Discord. He's always and I gotta give him props. He's always updating, alerting. So he's always updating there. And again, I give him the floor. Man, T, you the GOAT. Man, you the GOAT, T. Shout out to you, man. I mean, you killed it. I mean, I know we didn't go all the way up to 244. I mean, all the way up. I knew it was gonna get close somewhere around that level, but you did take profits when you had it. That's good. Right now, guys, we are back underneath that 670 level, guys. We did fall right back underneath, up a shadow. This counter closed out already. Where's the other 5 then? Oh, man, no wonder. I'm looking at why the hell I've been on a 30-minute this whole time and nobody told me. I've been on a 30-minute this whole entire time. I wasn't even thinking. I forgot I said a 30-minute yesterday. No wonder why. I don't know why I was thinking I was on a 5-minute this whole time. These are 5. I don't know why I was thinking this was 5 until I had to look up. I said, this is a 30-minute time frame. I mean, even on the 30 still looks clean and cut, though. I mean, 30 minutes still looks good. My bad.
I posted my profits, but I just closed the combined 241.63k today. I don't know how, but calls went 5x in minutes, like 20
Damn.
minutes. I'm speechless. What a day.
No, but that's a blessing, man. I mean, you came.
Finally hardworking and a big holiday.
No, but that's a blessing, man. I mean, you came a long ways because I know, watching your growth, watching what you used to go through, being frustrated, not making it right, but look where you at though, man.
What's his name?
Financial wizard, if I'm not mistaken. I think that's what it is. Let me go to it. No, Financial Wiz, 7462, Nadia. But that's him right here. Financial Wiz. That's him right there, Queen. That is the GOAT. That is him. So upper shadow, guys, right back underneath 670. Upper shadow, right back underneath 670. Let me go to a 5-minute time frame. But I mean, I ain't gonna lie, I like the 30. I mean, the 30 looks clean and cut, but I didn't realize I was using the 30 the whole entire damn time. My bad.
Oh, I did not know, thanks.
Let me see how I look on the 5. Nah, I hate the 5. Nah, I hate looking at the 5 now. I ain't gonna lie to you. After that 30-minute time frame, nah, I hate looking at the 5. It looks so cluttery and ugly. Ugh. I might just put it back on a 30-minute time frame. Yeah. Make me sick. Let me see if we go back to the 30, because the 30 looked way more clean cut. More just organized. Yeah, it looked way more organized. And that was an accident. I didn't even mean to do that. That was a total accident. I mean, you can still see the range, even on the 30-minute time frame. But we know that we need to get that break above what? 670. I knew something was off. Because I was waiting for that candle to close out. Because I looked at the time, I'm like, why the hell this candle ain't close out? And I looked up, I said, 30 minutes. It's like, my bad, guys. My fault. My bad. I mean, range is still holding, though. Still holding at this time. Still have a little bit of trouble trying to stay above that 67, though. I mean, 670. Still a little bit of trouble. We're going to see can we get that push, though. I mean, still holding up pretty well. Pretty decent. Anything else? Man. Like I said. Oh, that's what I meant to say. Nadia, I'm sorry, I got distracted. I know you was watching CRWV. The stock you should have been in was Meta. I was calling that out for like 2 weeks in a row. Meta, you should have been trading Meta. And I'm gonna go to it and show you why. Let me go to Meta, back to Meta, and I'm gonna tell you why. I was screaming this out for people to look at Meta. A lot of people was overlooking it. Everybody was overlooking it, but I kept screaming it out. I even told Primo. I said, man, that's gonna be a sleeper pick. That's gonna be a sleeper stock. And lo and behold, Meta went from 580, 600, 610, 620s up to the 630s. And I told everybody Meta was gonna be a sleeper pick. That was gonna be a sleeper stock. I kept telling everybody Meta was gonna be a sleeper. And look right here, Queen. One of my reasons why I said Meta was gonna be a possible mover. Fix this real quick. There we go.
Tarek Wheelam 5598 says, yes, J Meta did work, not as big for me, but your call was solid. Meta made me a good 16k, so thanks on that too, but I didn't sell Meta, I'm holding. Jtraedz says, then please put $Meta in your screen when you do live trading so we all trade it.
Yeah, look right here, Queen. Look. 580. Then you got back above the 608, got back above those two indicators. Went on, possibly going in the gap fill up, you know, from those indicators, the 9 and the 20, up towards that 50, which is lined up with 640. So I told everybody, I said, and I was breaking Meta down like, God, what was that, last week? It was like last week I was breaking it down, saying, you know, how much potential Meta has to possibly go up to the upside from 620s to 640s. And look where we at right now, almost 630s. So you're almost $10 away from that 640 area that we talked about. So Meta definitely went on a nice run. Let me see if anything else. AMD, no. Apple, I think Apple's still holding. Yeah, Apple's still holding. All right, still holding. What was those highs at?
Wheelam 5598 says, you even sounded Meta for day buy zone. J, you were on point.
Man, appreciate you, boss. I mean, right here for Apple, we need to get this breakout above 280 for that possible pushback up to these highs of 285. So right now, Apple's still holding, still on the trend line, still looking good. Apple's another one. 280, we need to get a break above 280. I already got my alert. Tesla, get back above 420s. We want to definitely get back above those 420s for that possible pushback into the 430s up to 440s. For sure. I got my alert set at 422.50. But Meta still looks good. I got my alert. We're only $2 away from my alert with possible room to run towards that 640. So do not count Meta out, guys. Meta still got possible $10 to push. Don't count it out. Google, we talked about Google. Remember that? But Google, we talked about that Monday. Cause we talking about that. No, matter of fact, we talked about that Sunday. Cause I go back to my live stream. We talked about Google. Cause matter of fact, you know me. I always got proof. I always back everything up. Y'all know me. Y'all know me. Let me go to it real quick. I'll go to it and prove myself. That I was right before Google went on that breakout at 302.50. I mentioned it. Watch, let me go back to it because I was breaking down everything. Let me go to my live stream for Sunday. Let me turn the music off real quick. You know me, I always prove myself to you guys. I love you guys enough. You know me, I'm very authentic. What was I think Nvidia was falling at one point, wasn't it? Oh, we bounced. I was still falling. Yeah, Nvidia's still falling. So AMD, Nvidia, that's a no-go for right now. Let me go to my live stream. Sunday. Yeah, here we go. All right, Sunday. Pull back to this old break. All right, I was talking about it. So, but as long as buyers can maintain 650. Yes, my bad, guys. My bad. I meant to put it on theatrical. My fault. What's the theatrical one? One level that we need to break for sure is going to be 664. Short. I'm trying to go to what's talking about Meta now. So we're not gonna. We're in a little range. We're in a little range right now. So let's see what the market wants to do. If we want to see upside, we would definitely want to get that break back above 64. I was talking about Google and all them. Let me see if I can find it real quick. And what was the other one we went over? Let me close all this out. Well, we could see 305 to 310. Because right now that's in an ascending triangle. Anything else, guys? Anything else that you want to hit me up? Any stocks? Close all this. Right now, we definitely, if we stay above that 270, you do have room to possibly push your way back up towards that 272 level, up to 276. Right now, you still got an uptrend going on with Apple. Apple's in an ascending triangle. That was so Sunday. That's Sunday. Holding this weight, they're still trying to hold those levels. So Apple's still looking good. Queen. Google. Get push right
at Jtraedz that became a member on YouTube.
Man, appreciate you, Queen. 305 to 310. Because right now that's in an ascending triangle. Anything else, guys? Anything else that you want to go over in particular? See, that was all before the breakout. Right now, AMD has like a little inverted cup and handle pattern. When you want for my loans, you gotta hold 200. Tesla stay above 390. We want to get back. I think right here look Meta when we was underneath 608. Back up to the look. Side. Look right here. Above that 400 up to 415 plus. We can break out of this little range back up to the upside. Meta 480. We already know 600 is gonna be a strong resistance. We need to break above 600 to get that push to retest the 608 to get us out of this range. Nvidia, Nvidia's looking a little weak because y'all aren't. Let me see. Go over. Like I said, you got Apple. Did we go over Amazon? I think I had it listed. 227 levels. 220 bounce. Meta bounce. Then blue. Any else? I thought I went into full detail about Meta though. Let me see if I can find it. I thought I went into full detail when I broke it down like all the way. Let me see if I can find it real quick though, guys. Let me see. But in this camp, 6 long. I guess 60, 30 minutes. The floor. Could have sworn I talked about it earlier, like in an earlier presentation. I don't know why I thought I did. For that move I did. To the upside, towards I did. Meta, we are definitely holding that 580 for that possible push back up to 600. We know 600 is going to be a tough resistance. We definitely want to get that break for that move back up to the upside towards that 608. AMD trying to hold 200 right now at this time. Hold 200. We do have room. All right. Now, see what I said? Right, Nadia? Okay, let me put the music back on. I apologize. All right. Look. 580. 608. Did I not mention 608? I said for that possible push-up. So I alerted everybody. I told everybody. Oh, let me give you some love, too. Thank you so much for the for this. Appreciate you, Queen. Let me show you some love, too. Appreciate you. I know it's super. I know it was a sub. I gotta fix that though. Appreciate you though, Queen. Appreciate you. I thought I had one for when people do sub. Okay, well. All right. Appreciate you though, Queen. Appreciate you. But yeah, guys, I was talking about all these levels Sunday.
Jtraedz says, "Where can I place the YouTube alerts? I miss your live trading."
All you gotta do is go to notification. If you go underneath the I'll go to it. Should be like a notification on the side of the subscribe button. It should be like a notification. Oops, did I delete my YouTube? Oh shoot. I ain't mean to close that out. I think I did on accident. I'm trying to go to my YouTube real quick. Hold on. Be better. I don't want it to start slowing down on me. Alright, hold on. Yeah, I probably can't. Well, I can't. I'm not able to see it on mine's. Like right where your subscribe button, it should have a area where it shows notification.
It says on, but where the alert goes to my email.
I think you should have it set in your settings, but I know it should. That's the your desktop and mobile notifications. I think you have to personally set it in your settings, if I'm not mistaken, on your end. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Oh, let me see. God, this thing ain't starting to slow down, is it? Yeah, let me close as many little areas as I can, man. It look like it's starting to slow down a little bit. Alright, let me keep it closed. Alright, anyway. So, alright, where we at right now? Let me close all of this. Alright. What was he looking at? Okay, meta. We need to get that break above 630. SPY, we still gotta get that break above 670. Still gotta get that break above that price point. Anything else, guys? Anything else? Anything else? Still trying to watch to see can we get that push above 670 on SPY. All right. Anything, guys? Anything else we need to go over? Still watching these levels. What time it is right now? 11 o'clock till lunch. So we definitely want to get, for SPY, we definitely want to get above 670 before 1 o'clock for sure. Definitely want to close above 674 before 1. Meta, if we get that break above 630, that's going to be a +2 on that. Apple's going to be 280. So right now, Meta's in the lead right now at 2.46%. Anything else? Anything else? Google 320. Let me see Google real quick. Apple, I'm just still waiting on that one. Let me see Google. All right, Google 320. Ooh. Google's still pulling back. Oh yeah, so yeah, Google's still pulling back. Anything else? Amazon. How we looking on Amazon? Amazon, we want to get that break above 228. Get that break above that price point. Let me set my alert on that one. I'm gonna make sure everything is working fine. 228. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Helagui says. Sup, Jtraedz.
What's up, Hella? What's up, boss? Any trades this morning, boss? Anything? All right, 228 for Amazon. 630 for Meta. Apple's 280. SPY, we gotta get that 270.
Helagui says. Took at short on SPY this morning.
Man, what's up, bro, man? What's up, my guys? I see y'all, man.
What's up, dog?
Nothing much, boss. It's nothing much.
Says, looking to reshort again.
Oh, hey, Hella High. Well, I don't know if you're on my Discord. I was gonna ask, did you take that short that I was alerting everybody about this morning on SPY? I'll show you my Discord. I told everybody this morning on what to look out for. I'll bring it up on my Discord. I'll bring it up real quick before we got that pullback. Let me go to it. Where is it at? When I alerted everybody to what to look out for. All right, here I go. This morning. So right here, guys. So this morning, Hella High and Talk, I said, good morning, team. SPY has successfully held the range of 670, 667.30 range. I said longs, we got to get the break above 670 for the possible push back up towards the pivot points of 672.50 and so forth. I say shorts, we need to crack 667.30 for the potential pullback down towards 666, down into the 664 region, right? Few minutes later, what happened? Where was it at? Well, I posted it. Bam! Right here. We got rejected. 670. Pull back underneath that 667.30 level I talked about. Right into the 666 to the 664 region. Right here. Clean as day. I said that sellers need to crack what price point? 663.
Nice.
Yeah. Look right here, boss. And you can see it right here in writing. I say sellers need to crack 667.30 for the potential crack back down towards 666, 664, right? What did we crack? 667.30, back down to the 666, down into the 664 region. Well, we just went off. Amazon above 228. My alert just went off. Hold on, let me go check it out. Amazon, all right, 228. Got a 228 break so far, a little push. Anything else? Nope. Amazon was the only alert that just went off. So Amazon.
Okay says, I made 5 bands short.
Oh, congratulations, boss. Congrats. So right now, as far as SPY, Talk, and Hella High, the goal is to break out of this range right here. So let me go.
Okay says, thanks, boss.
Man, no problem, man. Man, y'all deserve it, especially before Thanksgiving. Man, make a little bit of money. Cause we only tomorrow's our last full trading day throughout this week. Cause Thursday is gonna be Thanksgiving, and then Friday we're gonna have half a day. The market is gonna close at 1 o'clock. So today and tomorrow is gonna be our last full trading days out throughout this week. So man, make as much as y'all can, guys. So right now we are back on top of the pre-market level. So we should be trying to go for that push. If we can use this pre-market level here, guys, that we got rejected at, we should be using that pre-market level to push above 670 right now. That's what buyers should be doing. See right here, where we got stuffed at this morning, red to green, green to red. Now that we on top of it, we should be utilizing that area now for support to break through that 670. That's what buyers should be doing. That red candle should be turning green if those buyers are trying to go for it, because we want to break above 670 and hold 670. Right now, see, sellers are still sitting. They're still fighting. Got Amazon still pushing to the upside. That's still looking good. Meta, like I said, we want to get above 630. So I'm still watching because it looks like it's setting up the push. I mean, you do have a lower shadow. I mean, like I said, but you got to get these buys to go for that push. because they have a good setup. They definitely have a good setup. But do we have enough buying strength to push past 670? You know, finally get us out of this range that we've been in since yesterday. Because ever since yesterday, around the close, we've been in that range of 670 down to the 667.30. Buyers are trying to break out. Buyers are trying to, but we'll see. Still getting weak. 670 still hold up as resistance. Still a little bit of tug of war match right here. Tug of war match. What time it is? 11:09. So we still got an hour before lunch. Because like I said, we want to get above 670 before 1. We definitely want to get above that. Because therefore we can see new higher price points and go from this range into a new higher range. Because, I mean, like I said, you can still trade this range. You can still trade the range as long as 670 holds, you know, for the possible pullback down towards 667.30, just like we went down and back on up and so forth. But we'll just keep it on watch to see where we go. I know for longs, we got to get above 670 to go into this new bracket of 670, 672. But if not, may just pull right back on down. Let's see. The only ones in the green right now is Meta, Apple, and Amazon. Starting to lose a little bit of percentage, just a little bit. Because you still got Amazon somewhat holding. Meta still underneath that 630. Because I'm looking at the percentage. Oh, let me see. DKNG. What's DKNG doing? DKNG. What is that bad boy doing? Why is it not coming up? Oh, there we go. Damn, DKNG. We're at 31. I mean, DKNG going on a nice little move. 5%. Nice little move. It's going to be the next possible level. 31.50. 31.50 on DKNG. I'll put a little alert on that one. Just to see if we're going to get that continuation push. I'll put 31.50. Oops, wrong way. 31.50. There we go. Put my alert on that. Just in case. Get a little push. Alright. Still nothing yet on these bad boys. Still getting still fighting the 670 on SPY. Still fighting 670 on SPY. What was looking at? Amazon, wasn't it? Amazon was the only one that seemed like it was holding. Amazon still trying to hold. I don't see anything else standing out right now, guys. I don't see anything else really standing out. Y'all see anything, just don't be afraid to post it. You know, any ticket so we can go over it. Like I said, I mean, Meta was the top gainer, but I mean, it's still, still waiting on this 630 break. Amazon is still holding up pretty decent above 228. I mean, next key level that they're trying to push up to is 230. There go my error on YouTube. Here we go. I knew that was coming. I already got an error. Here we go. I'm trying to see if I see anything else that can stand out. I mean, let me see. I'm just trying to find something, that's gonna. Let's see. Oh, there we go. I mean, AMD is still falling. Apple's holding. We got to get that break above 280. Tesla, we got to get back above 420. Nvidia still falling back on down towards the 170s. Google, what price point are we at right now? We got to get back above 320. Meta, to me, like I said, Meta got Meta and Apple got like the best setups. Especially Meta. I mean, Meta, I still think has a lot of room to still push up to that 640. I still think that bad boy has a lot of room to still push up to the upside. I mean, I love this setup. I mean, 580 all the way back up towards the 630s. I mean, look at this nice little, curl. This nice little bounce back to the upside. I mean, to me, Meta still has a lot of room to push. Matter of fact, let me get another chart real quick. Let's take a closer look too. But I think Meta still has a lot of potential. I'm just gonna be honest with you. I think Meta still has a lot of potential. All right, there we go. Let's go to Meta real quick. Meta. I mean, look at this. Gap fill up towards that 640. And then, okay. And we get above 650, then look at this gap fill up. Look at this. Look at all this room to possibly move up. So, but you see the potential that Meta still has? You know, after this dump on off and that recovery, buys are holding that held that 580. Now trying to push back. And we get this 640 breakout. I mean, there's a lot of space and opportunities.
$CRWV.
All right, let me take a look at CRWV. But yeah, but Nadia, keep your eyes peeled on Meta still. Like, put that on your list too. Because Meta still got a lot of opportunities. CRWV, we still in this range of 70 and 75. You will see right here where the buys are trying to hold 70 level. So what we need, okay, we're in a $10 range right now, Nadia. So you're in a range of 70 to 80 with the mid area of 75. So you can see right here, bottom 70, mid area 75, back up to 80. Now the main area that we definitely want to get back above is going to be 87. I'm sorry, 87. But this will be the little range, and I'll color code it real quick so you can clearly see it. So let me color code it real quick for you. So bottoms that we need to hold is going to be here. Let me make this a little bit, put it on a 3. All right, 3. Put that 80 in red. That'll be tops as of now, for right now, until we get back above and break. Mid area gonna be around 75, right about here. So yeah, so we definitely want to get that move back up. But I mean, right now, and I'm gonna show you that we still got somewhat of a downtrend setup still happening on it. So just be careful right now. So you still kind of got this little downtrend setup, Nadia, kind of like this. That's why we need that breakout. You know, to break out of this downtrend setup. See that? Still got like this little downtrend like setup. It's trying to break out of it. Slowly trying to break out of it. See that? You was on a downtrend setup. So right now, we just slowly broke out of it in the 70 range. That's why we need to hold 70. You have a lower shadow where buys are coming in right at 70, trying to keep that body of that candle on 70. So what we need to do from this point now is flip it. We need to go from 70 back up to 75, mid area back up to 80. So we definitely want to get a nice little curl back up to the upside. But you can clearly see that your indicators are holding you down. You got your 20 EMA resistance. You got your 9 EMA resistance. So that's why it's going to be so important to get above 75. Because if we get above 75, that's going to put us above the 9 EMA. At least one indicator to hold us up, you know. Because other than that, all those indicators are doing is holding you down. It's doing this. It's just weighing you down, weighing you down, weighing you down. That's why we need to get above 75 so we can get at least use one indicator, the 9 MA, for room to possibly push back up to the 20 MA, which is around 80. Because we want, kind of like what we did on Meta. And I go to Meta to show you, for example, on what we need CRWV to do, kind of like what Meta did. So we go back to Meta, you can clearly see right here. See? You were underneath the 9, underneath the 9, underneath the 9. Then we wind up getting those nice, that nice buying pressure back in. You got above the 9 EMA. Got a nice little indicator gap fill up toward the 20 EMA. You see how they curled up. Now those indicators are underneath you, acting as now support. So with those holding, that's gonna, you know, cause strong support. So that means now it's no other way at this time but to go up, right? Next key level, you're gonna have with that 50 SMA that's lining up with right around 640. But that's what we need CRWV to do, Nadia. That's what we need. We need that nice curl. We need that nice buying momentum to give us that transition back to the upside, just like what Meta did. Because you see, Meta fell underneath all indicators. 200, 50, 920. Everything was just underneath. Strong push right around that 580. Got us right back above at least 2 indicators. Now for a possible gap fill up towards this indicator around 640. So that's what we need on CRWV. That's what we need. So we need to see some bullish momentum step in. We need to see like some green candles stepping in. Green candles. Because other than that, if we go back to we go back to CRWV. See what I mean? It's doing the opposite. It's still kind of fading down. I mean the only buying volatility you had was when we were down around 68, 50-ish. Then got this little bounce back all the way on up to 75. The 75 came right back on down. So it didn't give us that. See, this what should have happened. If Boz was gonna step in, those green candles should have continued up. It should have been 75, 80, 85. You know, we should have kept saying consistent green candles. But we ran up towards 75 and then right back on down. So it kind of created somewhat a little like an H pattern almost, which is still representing bearishness. So like kind of like right here. Let's go back a little bit right on CLW when we had that nice bounce. Like right here. We faded on down. We came down as low as 115, right? 115. We were underneath all those indicators. Underneath all the indicators. And then we got that nice pushback on up. But you see the counter transition? You went from red to green. And look how bullish it was. That we had enough buying momentum to get us back above the 9, the 200, the 20, the 50. And we got that nice move back on up towards the upside as high as 140. And then right back on down. So the area that we at right now is still kind of putting you in this little range still. Because it's still trying to figure out which way it wants to go. So right now you in this little range of 70 to 75. Because see, 75, we can't break out yet. 70, buyers are refusing to let the sellers take it out. So right now it's putting you in like in the $5 range. It's putting you in the $5 channel. So you just kind of ping pong it back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. So let me go ahead. What I'm going to do is, I know I got 74. I'm trying to think, should I keep my 74 alert or 75? I'm gonna keep 74. I'm gonna keep 74. So at least it'll alert us ahead of time. I'm gonna keep 74. You know, whenever we do get back above those levels, and I'm gonna also set one on 70. So that if we crack, that means CRW is going even lower. So I'm gonna set another alert at 70. So I'm gonna set another one on 70. So it depends on which one is about to hit or what alert hits. Let us know what to look out for in the future. So I'm gonna set 2 alerts. So I got 2 of them. Oops, yeah, there we go. So we cracked 70, that means we're going down even lower. If we break that 74, that means buyers are trying to find some type of footing to try to push their way back up. So right now it's in a range, point blank, in a range. Can't break above 70, can't break above 75, and can't crack 70. So I wouldn't, right now, CLW, I wouldn't even worry about it right now. So if anything, Nadia, I would take my eyes off of NVIDIA off of CLW right now. It's nothing to really concern yourself about at this moment. I wouldn't waste my time on it. Just gonna be 110% honest. I wouldn't waste my time on it until we get momentum back in, some type of volatility. But don't waste your time on it. So just telling you that ahead of time. Don't waste your time on it. Because I mean, look at all these other opportunities you could have been catching. I mean, Meta, Apple, I mean hell, Tesla. 390 all the way back into the 412s. Google. You got that, that break above 302. Now into the 330s. I mean, look at all these other opportunities versus CRW. It's nothing. I mean, right now, CRW is not. Ooh! Anybody told me about SPY? Y'all foul for that, man. Y'all even tell me SPY was spiking back up. Ain't nobody told me nothing. Y'all foul. Y'all cold-blooded. Boy, y'all cold as ice. Ain't nobody told me SPY was going back up. Y'all cold-blooded. Cold as ice. Dirty. How many playing the upside right now? On SPY, how many playing the upside?
Jtraedz says, I have calls on $CRWV.
Don't trade it. I mean, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it real quick to see how we're even looking on the charts. What was your entry to begin with? I mean, unless you got at these bottoms, 66 to 68, up to 70, 72, then yeah. I mean, what was your entry? What was your entry? Because you gotta remember the range. Remember the range I told you about, right? 70 to possible 74s. So I mean, you got that range to move up if you are in it, depending on where you got in it. Because if you are in long, you're gonna need to get that break above 72 for that possible push up to 74.
Jtraedz says, I have to close it.
Yeah, like I said, well, not it. Like I said, it all depends on where you got in at, Queen. So, if you are in, you're going to need that break above 72. If we get that break above 72, the next key level up is 74. That'll be a $2 run on up. So, buyers are trying to push up, but you do have that 200-day right above your head. So, first and foremost, let's see can we get above 72, because we want to hold that level. We don't want to fall back down into the 71s to 70s.
Jtraedz says, November 28th, 75 calls paid 0.83.
75. So that's okay. So you got 75 calls. So that's why we're gonna need to get above 72, because we're gonna need to go back, because your strike price is at 75, and my alert is around 74. So that's why we're gonna need to get above. What's the percentage today on it? Negative 2 point. Yeah, then it's in a negative even on the percentage. I mean. Yeah, because what I'm trying to see is, do we have enough volatility? That's what I'm trying to figure out for you. Do we have enough volatility today on CRWV to give us the push that we need? Because I know you have 75. So, what's the volume today on this bad boy? Where we at? Daily 14 million. Today is 15 million. So, got a little bit of volatility still in it. A little bit of volatility. No, okay. I know you got in at 75. I mean, I know your strike price is at 75. But what would...
Jtraedz says, should I close it at 72?
What? Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. What was your entry? Where did you get in at exactly? I know your strike price is at 75, but where did you enter? 70? 71? 68? I mean, what was your entry for the strike price up to 75? You know, where you can make some profit still. A little bit of profit still. Because if you got in, put it like this, if you got in at 68 to 72, that's still a profit. 66, 72, still a profit. Hell, 70 to 72, still a profit. It all depends on your entry. It all depends on your entry. Yep, still looking a little, come on, SPY. Dang it.
Jtraedz says, I don't know I kept adding.
See, that's the problem. And again, and that's something, and again, I've done it too. That's something I've done too. I'm done too. When you focus in on an entry, you have to understand your price levels. Like, okay, let's just take a quick look at SCRWV. Okay, we know that the bottom's held at 660. Well, first and foremost, how does CRWV move? So right now, based on what my chart is showing me, CRWV in some ways likes to move by $2 increments. So that means 66, 68, 70, 72, 74. So what I was saying was, depending on where your entry was at, you know, based off of these levels, like, okay, say for instance, you was waiting for a move up towards 68 to 72. That would have been a, matter of fact, let's do this. Let me, because I want to help out as much as I can. Let me,
Jtraedz says, $CRWV calls November 28th paid 83 cents, $75 calls.
All right, let me take a look at that. So 28.75. I'm gonna take a look at it real quick. Let me take a look at your on where you in at. Let me go CRWV charts. Let me take a look and see how it's looking. CRWV. I want to take a look at yours.
Jtraedz says, okay, I wait to 72.
Yeah, I'm about to take a look at your contracts right now. I'm about to take a look at it real quick, Queen. Well, it went up. If you got 75 for the 28, you up 70. Let me see. Yeah, let me see. Let me see how we looking. Let me take a look at, and we're gonna look at it together. We're gonna look at it together. So let's see on how much you would have been up, depending on where you entered at, on the contract that you do have at this moment. All right, let's see. All right. So you started off as lows as 26 on your contracts, 26 cents around here. Now up towards that. I mean, damn. I mean, you had a good at the beginning right here, which was those bottoms. Right around 66. That'd have been your bottoms right here. So that'd have been like 26 cents. And then we ran up as high as 72. That would have ran you up towards $1.12. All right, so I'll put it like this. Your 72 on your CRWV is somewhat equivalent to your 112-ish area on your contracts. So that means that you will need to break above 72 on CRWV to get that break above 112 on your contracts for that push up to, like 150 plus. So see how they kind of align with each other? The 60 to 72, how it's rejected, and you see on how your 112 is rejected. So it's kind of equivalent towards the same area. So 72 would be equivalent to your tops right here. So like I said, all depends on where you got in on your contracts. I mean, if you got in like with what, 500 shares up to $1? That'd have been, how much you would have made on that? I mean, my mind is all over the place. Let me see how much you would have made. I'm gonna just do $1. I'm gonna round it off. So let's say $1 minus 26 cents, right? 26 cents times 500 shares. You'd have been up. I mean, you would have made $370 on that. 500 shares. I mean, that still ain't bad at all. $300. Yeah, it all depends on when you got in on your contract. Because, I mean, it went from 26 cents all the way up to $1. And right now, 72 is getting rejected. So, getting a little bit of weakness on that. Yeah, so 72 right now is holding up as resistance.
Jtraedz says, I wait to 72.
Okay, so where did you get in exactly on your contract? What was, did you say an entry where you got in at on your contracts? Because like I said, your lows was about, I mean, let me kind of expand it out a little bit. I do apologize about that. Sorry about that. Let me expand it out. My apologies. All right, so your contract was right here. All right, right about.
Jtraedz says, what's point?
No, I'm talking about as far as your contracts. Like what did you enter at on your contracts? I mean, because what I'm saying is you still can make good profit depending on where you got in at. I mean, even if you missed, like, say for instance the 26, I mean, you could have ran 30 to 75, from 75 up to $1. I mean, there was still some good profit taking out the opportunities. But like I said, right now, that 72 level on CRWV is damn near equivalent to your 112 on your.
Jtraedz says, I kept adding I don't remember was yesterday.
Let me see, because you're not using TOS. It should show you an entry, or like where your cost base is at. That's what I meant to say. Your cost base. It should tell you where your cost base is sitting at. Where you entered at, depending, even if you put in with a lot, it should give you a strategic or a specific cost base where you entered at and where you're at now.
Jtraedz says, I wait until end of the day. I have time.
Yeah. Yeah, see, that's the thing that's tricky, because I don't even know where you got in at, even on your contracts, or where your cost base is. That's the thing. I don't know where your cost base is at. I don't know. I mean, because you broke above 75 on your contract. You see right here, 75. Then you ran about $30 to $40 above that price point up to the $1 level. And the route did this. Let me see. I'm gonna keep it on watch to see where we go. Yeah, I stopped looking, and the reason why I stopped looking at CRWV is just that, as I kept seeing that thing fall, it was just like, I was just, that's why I was just waiting, because it seemed like it got lower instead of higher, because.
Jtraedz says, 0.83 cost space.
Okay, so you got in at 83. Oh wait, so you way up here. So you got in 83. Oh, so you about. So you kind of like in this little bracket then. 83 cost base. Okay, so you got your cost base is here. So you ran up as high as 112, almost like 20 cents ish plus. So depending on how many contracts you had, because right now I see you bouncing off 83. Because again, you found a little bounce right here to open. So 83 you got in at. Yeah. I'm trying to help you out as much as possible, because it's just the only thing that's just driving me right now on CRWV is the volatility. It's like it's not like the volume is just like ugh. Because I know you say right here is your cost base. You had about almost 20 cents to because you could have. I mean, to be honest, you could have actually sold it right around $1. Got out. You could have done that and then wait for CRWV to go for the 72 break, which should have brought you back this way. And then if CRWV was to get that push to 74, 75, you'll be breaking at 112 level up towards, a 150, almost back up, up towards the 200-day moving average. But it's just the volatility is so weak right now. It's just like, ugh, the candles is just, even on a 2-minute time frame, it's just like so spacey.
How do you find volatility?
The volume, your volume. It should like, you should have a volume and an open interest. What matter of fact, what is the, oh, and I'll show you. I'll bring up my chart and I'll show you. And I'm gonna show you the difference. So let me bring up my little chart real quick. I'm gonna show you. All right, let's see. So you 75 contracts, volatility right now, 28, 75. I mean, you got 3,000 volume. Let me see. See, if you would have been a little bit closer to where you was at, you probably would have made a little bit more. Like, let me show you. So right now you got 75 contracts. So if you would have picked 72 contracts, let me say 72 gonna be a little bit more healthier. 72 contracts, 72. So 72 went from 65 up to, so 72, 72s. Ugh, it's just that it's just so, ugh. You know what I'm saying? It's just so choppy. It's just so, like the spread is what I'm saying. The spreads are just like, ugh. The spreads just all over the damn place. It's like spreads are all over the place. I mean, look at this crap. I'm trying to find some healthy contracts on this damn thing. Something a little bit healthy. All right, these are the 70s. So this one started at $1.10, ran all the way up to, that was $200 on this. Yeah, the volatility on these is just, ugh. And I'm gonna show you a healthy contract. Let me see. What can I use? Yeah, cause these is just not. It's not a good example. I'm trying to find a healthy contract. What can I use? Can I use Meta maybe? Let me show you. Cause when you get those choppiness is just.
Jtraedz says. Okay, close it soon to 72.
Yeah, so I'm trying to show you a healthy contract real quick. I'm gonna try to choose another one to show you like a healthy contracts. Let me see Meta.
Jtraedz says. I can't understand TOS.
Nah, TOS is like one of the most simplest things to use. All right, let's see. Meta. Okay, see how you got more volatility on here? You see that? How it's a little bit more. You see that? The volume on it, on the candles, I mean, look way healthier. It's something like that is what I mean.
Jtraedz says. How much to have the volume?
Cause that one is at 13,000. Volume, 3,000 open interest. So I like looking for volume that's good around 20,000, 30,000. I mean, it was healthy, like close to in the money. That's what I'm trying to show you, even on these the contract charts, how the candles are healthy. And then you went, I mean, from here, I mean, look right here. I mean, you had a nice little run on up on on Meta, but look on how healthy the candles is. They're not too spread out. I mean, it just has a decent setup on that bad boy. See, I mean, don't get me wrong. No, don't get me wrong. CRWV is not bad. I mean, the only thing you have to deal with, that's the only, I'm gonna tell you right now, because I don't know if you pay close attention to it. The only thing you have to deal with on CRWV versus like these other ones is the damn spreads. So that means that don't go chasing the spread. That's where you get hit at. When you go chasing, like, I'm gonna have to show you, for example, what I used to do for CRWV. I'm gonna have to show you what I used to do. Where's my little ladder or my little P&L? Like, and I'm gonna show you the spreads and what I mean by that. Cause I didn't know how well, and also help me make money too. The spreads help me make money. Let me see. But once I started to understand how to play the spreads, I was making money on it on CRWV. That's how I got my account to grow to like $2,000. I played the spreads once I started to understand how to use it. Let's see. I'm trying to pick a healthy one, so you got the 28. I'm gonna go with 70. I'm gonna just put 70. I'm gonna put 70. All right. Okay. Let me see how the spreads are. But notice the spreads. So you see where your sellers are located? Look. See what I mean by the spreads? See, your sellers are way up here. Your buyers are way down. Now you see what I mean by the spreads? Like, that's something you don't want to do. Like, get caught in that. Like, hit the market orders, and you all the way up here, and your buyers are all the way down here. Like, that's what I mean. So, what I had to do, at certain points in times, I kind of had to, I had to kind of fight it. So, instead of chasing all the way up here and waiting for the buyers to meet me, sometimes I would get a good opening. Like, I would try to follow the buyers, if that makes sense. I would try to follow the buyers and stay where the buyers are located. Or, sometimes I move it up just a little bit, like up to 80, 83 or something, where I can stay within a good spread. But trying to, mark it in up here, waiting on these buys to come up to you, sometimes you'll get hit. You'll get damaged like that. Because when you got those big, huge spreads, sometimes they'll go against you. Because, again, if you get in up here, you got to wait for those buyers to meet you up there. That's the only thing. That's the only issue when it comes down to CRW is learning how to master the spreads and how to work the spreads. That's the only thing. Because, again, look where your sellers are located and look where your buyers are located. So if you market order in, 9 times out of 10, you're going to get yanked way up here waiting on buyers to meet you. That's the only issue you're going to have with that. So that's why I would normally wait for, like if I was going long, I would normally wait for like pullback areas where I know I can buy in.
Dollar SPY is going up.
Okay, I got you. Ooh, we're going up. Ooh, we almost there. We almost there, guys. We almost there. But you notice the spreads. Look on my TOS. See this red box indicates it represents sellers. The green box represents buyers, and this is your price point, right? So
Jtraedz says, where do you find good high volume stocks?
Your list. Your little list. You should have, depending on what you're using, like right here for TOS, like right here. Right here for TOS, you'll have a list. See right here? You'll have a list. So, and you can customize this. I customize mine the way I want it, where I can see the delta, volume, open interest, the net change, bid and ask. So, the purple represents in the money, black is out of the money. Same thing on the put side. In the money, out of the money. Depending on the direction that you're going, if you're going for calls or going for puts. The higher you go, closer to the money, you'll have a little bit more volatility because that means we're around these key levels. But yeah, I normally look for volatilities like, so you got about 3,010, 3,003. Watch, and I'm gonna show you like versus anything else that has a lot of stronger volatility. So watch, go to Meta. Let's go to the volatility on here. See that? 28,000, 11,000, 14,000, 10,000, 15,000. So it's a little bit more higher. Apple, let's see what that one. Apple volatility on there. Let's see. See that? 87,000, 63, 62,000, 31,000, 19,000, so forth. But you see how you have a lot more volatility and a lot more volume on these bad boys? Where it shows that where you have majority of traders trading on these specific strike prices. When you see a lot of those type of volatilities, yeah. So it's easy to get in and out of these plays. But CRWV, you have a lot of spreads on them. That's the only issue with CRWV is the spreads. The freaking spread and the volume. Sometimes that's the only thing that's going to get you. Like I said, you go back to CRWV, I can even give it, it's close to the strike price. And you still have some spreads on it. So right here in the money, 70. Let me go to red. Still look, 70. Strike price. For the 28. Look at the spread still. You see what I mean? That's the only thing with CRW is them damn spreads. That's the only thing. You just have to learn how to work the spreads. That's it. And sometimes you get it. And sometimes you got to keep trying until, you finally get a seller to come down to you, grab it, and then go back up. So see how it jumped up? So it's starting to move a little bit. Buy starting to move up a little bit. Still got the seller sitting at 305. So what we doing right now? So I'm watching CRWV right here. So right now we're at 280. Buys to move up to 280. But you see what I mean? If you was getting up here, you still got to wait for buys to move up to you. Now, and I'm gonna tell you another trick. What happens too? They like to manipulate that crap. I used to get caught in manipulations big time.
Jtraedz says, I would not trade it again.
Yeah, like I said, wait till volatility step in. When we do get that, I put out this, Nadia. Wait until we get that bullish movement back up, then we can attack it like crazy. We can definitely attack it, and I'll attack it with you. Now you got buys stepping up 291. Buys are stepping up 291. So, matter of fact, let me go to your contracts. I'm sorry, you got 75. So let me see. You got 83. All right, let me see. Let me try to work it with you. All right. So you should be up 2 cents right now. All right, 2 cents because you're in at 83. So 2 cents, you should be up 2 cents already. All right, sellers are still all the way up to $1 still. So we just got to get this continuation push. So we got to get that push back up to 72. So we get that push back up to 72. That should force or should move that price point up. So we should be possibly moving up towards that 90 bracket. So right now where we at 71. So we want to see 71.50 up to 72. 71.50 up to 72 on CRWV. Let me watch spots still too. Still haven't hit my target yet. I haven't hit my alert. I'm still keeping it on watch. So all right. So right now we're at 71, still fighting. So what we want to see is 71.50. 71.50 up to 72. Because that's gonna help move your prices up. So right now you're still sitting around 85. Still sitting around 85. 71.10. 71.05. 71. Come on, man. Come on, CRWV. Come on. We want to get that push back up towards 72 because that's going to help push it up. And if we could get that push back up to the upside, if you in at 83 cost base and even up to 93, that's 10 cents depending on how many contracts you have. Look, see, back at 83. Because we got to get that push. Now, see, because you back down to 70. See, now you back down to your cost base. 83. See, all I'm doing is watching the prices because I know what you need. See, down to 82. But you see the spread still. See what I mean? See? Yeah, see? Because of the volatility, man. It just, that's why when you said CRWV today, I was like, that's why I was making those faces, guys. Because I was like, yeah, I knew she was going to be in a tough position. I knew that was coming. But yeah, I would wait till we get volatility back in it, man. Because I'll put it like this. The rate that CRWV is going, you do better scalping. You do way better scalping. In and out. You know, but instead of holding it long term, like long, I wouldn't do that. Especially if CRWV doesn't have that momentum, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't hold it long term until buy step in. But yeah, don't do that. And look at that. 75. Look where your buy is at now. 70. So that's what? Damn near 13 cents away from your cost base. See that? See what I mean? Look, the spread got further out. Now you see what I mean? Sellers are still sitting up here at 97. Now you down around 72, 73. The volume is starting to get a little bit weak on CRWV because you're now back underneath 71. Yeah, see what I mean, Queen? Yeah, just be careful on that though. But yeah, that's why I had to break it down to you what to look out for, to be careful for. Because I used to do that, man. And like I said, the volatility on this is kind of, it's kind of like hit and miss. It's kind of hit and miss. I had to learn from it. I had to learn from that mistake too. That's why I stopped chasing it. You know, playing with it until volatility moved in. Now, what drew me off from it, because we used to be around like in the 80s, 90s. When I started seeing that we couldn't get back up, I just gave up on it because it just had no buying volume to it. I couldn't force it. So that's why I got away from it. I wasn't gonna force something that wasn't meant to be at this moment. And look, still pulling back. CRWV, look at this, still pulling back. 70, almost down to 70.50. So right now, look at that, still getting weak. See what I mean? So that's what I'm saying. That volume is not there on it. That's why I wouldn't chase it. I would not chase it. I mean, I wouldn't even trade it. I wouldn't even trade it until we get back above 75.80. To be honest. I wouldn't even waste my time on it. Let me see. DKNG. We still at what, 5% on DKNG? I mean, think about it. Okay, Nadia, think about it. While you're trading CRWV, based off my list, you got DKNG on an uptrend at 5%. See that? From 29-ish, 29-30 level, all the way up to, what was it? What, 30-50? Got a nice little move on that one. You know, like DKNG look like has a lot more opportunity than CRWV does. It has good a volume than CRWV. Cause watch, let me see what's DKNG's where we at right now? 29.50 up to 31.50. So DKNG, let me see how the charts look on that one. If you would have made money, you know, better versus CRWV. Let me see. So DKNG, where we at right now? 31.50, so about 31ish. Let me see how it looks though. Let me see how the charts look. Wait, what's this? Oh, 10 cents.
Jtraedz says, I can't find these stocks. Which one to trade?
Oh, well, okay. Now, the reason why I have this list, because these are stocks that we dealt with before. I just kept them, just in case. Like, DKNG, Primo brought that up. We talked about LLY. We talked about TTD. PLTR, you already know PLTR is one of the ones we always talk about. Hood, CRWV, NBIS. Make a list.
I am going to start $Meta and $IWM.
Yeah, and man, think about it. Nadia, that's what Tyreek and them did. That's where he made his money from, was IWM. Me and him were talking about it. He made money off of IWM, and I trade, and I deal with SPY. So I mean, and then on top of that, those companies gonna be a lot more healthy. Good morning, Queen.
Morning, J Boss. Any trades today?
Chop. Well, I called out the drop. Well, you was in Discord, Aussie. Then I called that pullback down towards the 66, 64. And right now, I mean, yeah, chop, but we have broken out of that range finally. You are above 670. So now you in that range of 670 bottoms for that possible push up to 71.50 up to 72. So right now, I mean, even though it's choppy, look what it's doing. Buys are stepping back in. It's about to push up towards my alert. So look at this. Finally getting that push up. So I would say chop. I mean, I would just say a nice slow reversal back up.
$IWM only. We should all do. It's cheap too.
Yeah, no, it is. Yeah. IWM is definitely cheap. Matter of fact, Nadia, go on my list. I just helped Tariq make 15 grand. I'll scroll down to it and show you. Well, he said it. I'll bring it up. I'll put it on Everything I Love. He said it. I helped him, like, before he closed everything out, he made an additional $15,000. Look, right here. See, let me see if it can come up. Will it come up? It's not letting me bring it up on my whatchamacallit. Yeah, it's not letting me. Why it's not letting me bring it up though? I mean, I got the little message right here, but it's not letting me bring it up. I don't know why. Well, I can't pop it out. I'll bring it up right here. Look right here. He simply said, "I'm out. 15K is too much." He said, "Profit to be greedy." He said, "Got 100 contracts left now only." Said stop loss.
Why don't you bring it live all play?
Why what? Why don't you bring it live all? What you mean? Why don't bring it all live? What you mean? I mean, like I said, it's in my Discord. I mean, I even told him. Queen, I mean, like I said, you on my Discord? Like, how you bypassing all the alerts? Look right here. I go back to my alert. Look, I was alerting everything. I alerted the pullback this morning on SPY, right here. And I said, congrats to all the puts. Look right here. I drew everything out. The level that we need to crack for the pullback. The level that we need to break for the longs, 670. For the potential push back up to 672.50. Pivot. 672 alerts. And check the Patreon. I posted on Patreon too. Now, the one I told Tariq about. Tariq, I said IWM. Buyers need to break and hold 242.50. I said if buyers can successfully hold that level, then we could see a potential push towards 244.50 to 245. That's where he just made his 15K at. I alerted him. It's right here on my Discord. And he liked it. He put 100 on it. So, I mean, he did call it out. He said it. I mean, I put out alerts. So, like, what else can I do? And look right here. About to hit my alert. What I said about SPY. What was my alert on SPY? On the long side. What did I say? Everything that I talked about is coming into pass. It's coming into fruition. Look at it right here. Longs. Biggest day. Buyers need to break and hold above 670 for the potential push towards 672.50 pivot, 74 to 76. Where are we pushing up to? 72, right? Because we got above what price point? 670, right? I told shorts, don't chase this. The short is over. We want to see a break above 670 for that possible push. Look where my lines are located. Look where my alert is sitting. I mean, I announced it everywhere. I put it on my Patreon. I even bring up the Patreon. I alert this. I alert everything. It's up to you guys to pay attention to the things that I call out, man. I can't grab everybody by the hand. I put out the alerts for everybody to pay attention to. There's only so much I can do. You know? I'll go to it. I posted twice on it. On my Patreon. But it's up to you guys. Up to you guys to pay attention. Right here. Patreon. I posted it twice. Tuesday. When I updated.
NW5TD says, JB spitting out all the plays every morning, but it's always you who press the button to make your play.
Thank you.
I make money just listening to Sexy J.
Man, you sexy. Nah, lucky, but shout out to you, boss. And congratulations on your profits, man. I mean, look right here, guys. Look, I put it in Patreon. Buyers need to break and hold above 670 for the potential push to 672.50, pivot point 674, 676. What did we do? 670, trying to push our way up to 672 to 672. I mean, come on, man. This morning, pullback, puts. What did I say? I said, right here, clear as day, shorts. Sellers need to crack 673.30. I'm sorry, 667.30 for the potential pullback towards 66 to 64. Is it not right here in y'all face? What did we do this morning? We cracked 667.30, 66, down into the 64 range. Did I not call these plays out? Did I not call them? I mean, I called them. I don't know what else y'all want me to do. Y'all got to execute on it. And then, lo and behold, look at this. Now we done finally broke out of this range. Now into a new range I just told you guys about.
820 and 831 on Discord, right? Besides, you can't depend 100% of your move on someone else. All this content is for educational purposes.
Exactly. No, tell you 110% right. It's educational because that goes for me too. Like, I can't depend on somebody else, you know, even when they call them out. I have to do my own due diligence. I have to do my own research. And I'm not saying like, okay, when I post these alerts, man, I do it. No, it's for you to take a look into it. To, okay, set your lines. Okay, man, is he correct about it? Man, and just get that confirmation. But at least I'm giving you heads up on what price points to look at, right? Taylor, you my witness. Lucky. Also, y'all my witness. Didn't I say this morning?
Traedathon says, correct.
Taylor, even looking at my Discord, even looking at my, what all did I say this morning? We were in a range, right? And I put the specific price points. The level that we was at, 670, 667.30, right? And I specifically said, I said for puts, because I know people want to short, we need to crack what? 667.30 for the possible pullback down towards the 66 to 64 level, right? And we did that, correct? Then I said for the upside,
learning.
And then I said for the upside, we need to break above 670 for the 672 to 672.50. Why? Because that's your pivot point.
Says, had to come by real quick and mention Jay again. Thanks Jay, the spy call was scary by you, but damn, it's up now 671 calls. I'm close to cashing out, boss. Tarek Wheelam 5598 says,
my goat!
Okay, back to packing for holiday trip.
He did his due diligence. I put out the alert, but he did his own work. I mean, Tyreek just said it. Shout out to Tyreek. He just said it.
Jtraedz says, for spy to 673 or 674.
I mean, look, in reality, I mean, I know I got all my lines set up. But where did we start at this morning? I gave everybody the heads up this morning. This is where we started at.
Jtraedz says, dollar spy to 673 and 674.
Now look, this is the range that we were in before. I alerted everybody, right? I told, look, I'll show, you know me, I always back my everything that I say up. Y'all know me. I'll post everything and show everything. This morning, I said, good morning, team. SPY has successfully held the 670 to 667.30 range. And I said, what levels need to break out and what levels need to crack? Did not this morning in pre-market. I said, we break, you have room to run up towards the 72 level, because that's your pivot point. That's why I put in parentheses, put pivot, because that's your old pivot point. So I made sure to let everybody know that. I said for the shorts, we need to crack 667.30 for the possible pull back down towards 666 to 664, right? That's all. I mean, I posted everything. I mean, I updated it. I updated as pre-market went on. I said, look, guys, 670 still holding. We still are in this range. Update. SPY is still maintaining the 670, 330 range at this time. Still saying the same exact thing for longs and shorts, right? Then we wind up getting the pullback. This is when I told everybody, after we got rejected at 70, we cracked 670, 330, and I told everybody, there you go. Because we fell underneath 673, 30, 667, 667.30, right here what I wrote, down to the 666, around that 664 region. 666, 664. It's like, I don't know what else to put. I don't know what else to say. Like, and I said, SPY, congrats to the puts who took the quick pullback. Why would I lie to y'all? I mean, I don't know what else to put, man. I mean, I talked about it, and think about it. I helped everybody out from both. And what do you know? 672.
Late to the party here.
And what do you know? 672.
Woke up. I see all your alerts now.
They don't want to hear me, Austin. They don't want to hear me. They don't want to hear me. All right, let me put 60.
Wheelum 5598.
I know it, bro. You heard my alert go
Boom
up.
672.
All right.
Alert went JU the goat.
Boss, I tried to tell him. Oh my God! I tried to tell everybody. Oh, boss, they don't want to hear me. I've been alerting everybody. What time was this when I alerted everybody, telling them what to look out for?
Wheelum 5598. I trimmed half for a solid 100.
Matter of fact,
on the SPY 671 calls, literally what 27 minutes trade.
Shout out to you, boss. Look, I'll put this since 5 o'clock this morning, my time, 5 o'clock a.m. I said, and now we're looking at it from the long standpoint. I said buyers need to break and hold above 670 for the potential push towards 672.50 in quotation. Pivot.
Congrats, Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, you spooned us 2 big trades today. Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, God bless you, Jay.
Man, God bless y'all for believing in me.
Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, thanks, Aussie.
And look at that. We broke what? 670 for that possible push up to 672.50. I know we haven't hit it yet, but look how close we came to my alert. And wasn't that one of the numbers I had? I don't know what else to say. I don't know. Oh, matter of fact, how's the LDBM looking? I know me and you were talking about IWM. Did we get back up towards that area that we talked about? Yep, 244. 240. Well, what was it? 244 to 244.50. 244.50 up to 245. So right now we're about 244 on IWM. That me and you talked about. Now my alert is about to hit 244 on IWM. I mean, look at all my alerts. That was already set there in motion. We about what? Almost 10 cents away from my alert on IWM. 144. That's one of the price points that I called out and me and T talked about this morning. Like I said, there's only so much I can do. I mean, y'all got to take the initiative to execute.
Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, we are close, Jay, on him.
Yep, and look right here, T. I was about to bring it up.
Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, my last trade.
I told T-Dub right here.
Tarek Wheelum 5598 says, killing it today, Jay.
Man, appreciate it and congratulations. I told my G right here.
98 says, I chased, still didn't lose.
And I told him right here, IWM, buyers need to hold, and I said we need to break and hold above 242.50.
Wheelum 5598 says, great freaking day, all wins so far.
Man, shout out to you, boss. And look at I said, IWM, buyers need to break and hold above 242.50. If buyers can successfully hold above that level, then we could see that possible push up to, let me go all the way to my, where's my rest of my, towards 244.50 up to 245. So right now, IWM, I know we're about 50 cents away from one of my alerts. Right now we have 44. So I got 44.50. So I know we trying to go for the 44 break for the possible push up to 44.50. That was one of my alerts that I did. And look right here. Let's see if we're going to hit my alert that I called out on spot this whole time. That everybody... Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. We're about 25 cents away from my alert. To see if I was right. Pivot point. On spot. Let's go up a little bit. What was it? What was my pivot point I alerted you guys before it hit? If it hits. Let's see. Longs, 670 for the potential push up towards 672.50. Pivot right there. Read them in wheat. 672.50 pivot. 672. Why would I lie to y'all, bro? Why would I lie to y'all? And we almost buy it. Look at this. We almost to that pivot point. Why would I lie to y'all, man? And I'm still waiting on T-Dub. Still waiting on that. 244 up to 244.50. I'm still waiting on that. Trying to see. 50 more cents. 50 more cents. 244 was one of the areas. Let's see. 244.50. Can we get that 244.50? Spy, can we get my 72.50? 72.50. Right towards my area I alerted. Let's see, can we hit it? Let's see if my alert gonna go off. 10 cents away. 10 cents away. 5 cents. 6 cents. Whoa! Woo! 42.50, baby. Shoot, man. Stop playing with me.
Tarek Wheelam 55.
Stop playing with me.
Boom in 244 plus and
see, they don't know, bruh.
Again, work boom closed out.
See, they don't know, man.
59.16K now. Every few percent counts. Thanks for the help on the tail end.
Man, see, they don't know, man. They don't know. Look at that. Patreon. Buys need to break and hold above 670 for the potential push towards 672.50. Pivot. What did we just hit? 672. Pivot. Man, come on, man. They don't hear me. They don't hear me. They don't, man. But congratulations to my cause. Congratulations to my laws, man. I told, man, I'm gonna let y'all down, man. Come on, man. And look what my mark was already sitting at. 672.50. Man, let's go. We done called it. We done called it. I told him, man. And look where we at.
Jtraedz says, dollar spy can go to 674.
Yeah, I mean, we got room. Long as we stay on top of 672.50, yes.
TD says, every time Jay lies to me, I make money.
Nah, shout out to y'all, man.
98 says, Jay, I bow to you. 250K, I don't know.
Nah, man, shout out to y'all. Y'all don't want this making it happen, man.
The initial trades in the morning, guys, but you put the cherry on the top, boss. What a day, Jay, I owe you. Tarek Wheelam 5598 says, God bless Jay. Tarek Wheelam 55.
Man, that's crazy. I'm happy for all of y'all, man.
Your trade callouts.
Man, I'm happy. Look at this. I mean, look at this. Consecutive green candles up. Look at that. Ever since you broke above 70, green candle, green candle, green candle. Now testing that what? Pivot. 672.
5598 says, every fallout is green. Meta, spy, everyone.
I tried to tell them all. I mean, let's see, meta. What was my call? 630, right? 630 was my meta call. Meta. Where we at? We almost to that. We almost to that one. IWM, I know we still trying to see, can we get that 44.50? Let me see what else. What else I called out? Was it Amazon, I think? Amazon I called? Amazon, yep, right at 230, right where my line is at. Damn, boy, I called them all. Apple, what was Apple? Let's go to Apple. Apple, I know we haven't came all the way back up to 280 yet. Still kind of waiting on that one. Google. Nah, nothing on Google. It was something else. Oh, CRWV. Oh yeah, CRWV. Nadia, I'll just shoot that down. I wouldn't worry about CRWV right now this time. I wouldn't worry about that just yet. Let that go. Let it go. Yeah, let CRWV go until volume moves back in. So right now, I mean perfectly. 672.50, baby. That is crazy. From the levels I called out, 670, 6250. Man, that is insane. And I mean, beautiful play up too. Nice play up to that bad boy. Man, that's crazy. And that's right before lunch too. Well, right around lunch. I mean, you still hit it though. I want to see Kim get my last alert. My last alert, guys. And I'm gonna be out. I just want to get one more alert. And this for T. This is for Tariq.
Lucky NW.
I want to see him get one more, man.
Trump talking, so we should see a push up.
Yeah, so what was the, my other level, or SPY, my other level, I said that we push above 7250 was going to be 74 to 75. That was my next key levels. Uh-oh. One more alert. Tariq, let me see if we going to get it, T. 244.50. Right where my alert at. Let's see. Can I complete all my alerts that I called out for today? Let's see. Because what I told T this morning. Where was that? Bye-bye. I said, buys get that break right above 42.50. That was IWM. I said, if buyers can successfully stay on top of that range, we should see a potential push to 244.50. Right there in y'all guys' face up to 245. Let's see.
My dollar SPY, I want to keep easy.
Come on, man. One more alert. And I'm going to be soon here now, man. I just want to see can we get it. We about 25 cents away from one more alert, my last alert. Come on, man. One more alert. One more alert left. One.
And I'm closing out both last trades by 671 call hit 138%. James call hit 196%. Tarek Wheelam 5598 says, Jay, this was my best day this year.
Hey, I try to help y'all, man. Anything to help. Anything to help you guys out, man. I love you guys. Let me move this over, my bad. Anything to help you guys out. Anything I can do to help, man. Anything to contribute, man.
5598 says, won't forget you, Jay, and your selflessness, boss.
Man, appreciate you, boss. I definitely appreciate you, man. Appreciate you for everything. I definitely appreciate you. Definitely appreciate you. Man, you too, T. Have a blessed one, man. Have a happy holidays, too, man. Happy Thanksgiving. If I don't see you tomorrow. Guys. Because tomorrow's our last full day of trading. Remember, Thursday is Thanksgiving, and Friday is half a day, 1 o'clock. Don't forget about that. I mean, it hit my alert. So what was my next level I said? If we break above 72.50, 74 to 75. I'm still waiting on this 44.50. 20 cents, man. Come on, IWM. 20 cents, baby. 20 cents. Come on. It's 44, man. Come on. 44.50. I want to see if I can get this push. I mean, right now, SPY's doing what I needed to do. Next level I said is going to be 74. 74 is going to be that next possible level. So, come on, man. Come on. I want to see this last one here.
Says, today to 674 on dollar SPY, I think.
Come on, IWM. I just need to hit my last alert and I'm done for the day. Last alert. I'm about 20 cents away. 20 cents away, IWM. That's for my boy T. 20 cents, man. Come on. One more. Just one more. I'm done for the day. I'll wrap it up. I just want to see can we get it, man. Come on. Don't have me sitting here to give me foreplay. Like, just go for that push. I hate when it give me foreplay. When it teases around that level, just get to it. Just get to it, hit my alert, and be done with it. It's going to give me I know it's going to give me foreplay. I know what it's going to do. It's gonna play around before it hits it. Let me see. Cause we're about 20 cents away from that. Come on. It's playing with my emotions right now. SPY still looking good. All right, next key level on up. I had. Wait, was this? What was that next level? Was it 74 or 74.50? Because I'm trying to remember. What was it? I think it was 74, but we'll see. Because I know right now that's that pivot. So you're going to have a little bit of trouble right here. But that was the area I caught out first. Let's see, can we stay on top of it? But that was one of the initial areas we could push up to. 72.50. And we can hold that. That next possible level is up to 74. 74 plus. So just keep it on watch. Let me see. I want to see my Patreon is at. I think I said 74, 74.50. Which one was it? I think I said 74. Yeah, 74 to 76. Yeah, after the pivot point. Yeah, 74 to 76. Okay. I was just trying to see what I had on it. All right. So right now we're holding 72.50. All right, next key level, I'm put 74 on that one. I'm still waiting on that. I'm still waiting on that 44.50. I'm still waiting on this 44.50. So I can just seal the deal on that one. Alright, 44.
Jtraedz says. Dollar SPY to 673.
Okay.
50
Yeah.
Up at 676.
Yeah, and I understand you calling it, but are you trading it? Are you trading it? That's the question. Are you trading that bad boy? Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Because I'm trying to do this before I go. Come on, IWM. I just need one more. I just hit one of my last alert. 44.50, man. Come on, man. Give me that 44.50. I was 20 cents. It was like 20 cents off from my alert. Meta still waiting on 630. What was Google? What was Google again? Google was what? Oh yeah, I wasn't worried about Google. I was waiting till we get back up. Still got a nice little move back up. It was something else though. What was it?
Jtraedz says. Yes, SPY.
I know Apple was still waiting on that 80. It was something else though. Did we talk about AMD today? Nah, I'm not worried about AMD. I could have sworn it was something else we talked about. I'm not. I know CRWI wouldn't even worry about that until you get back above 72. Still got SPY holding on top of that 72.50. Still trying to hold. Come on, IWM. 20 cents. You can't give me 20 cents, man. Really? Can't give me 20 cents.
Says.
Oh, Meta.
Dollar Meta.
Oh, appreciate the 2 queen. I could have sworn I had it on there. Oh yeah. Meta was the 630. Was it 630? Yeah, it was 630. 630. Okay, that's what it was waiting on. Still waiting on that 630 break. Because you break above 630, you got room to possibly still push up towards that 640. But right now, so far so good. I mean, we hit all certain, the main key levels. I mean, so far, looking good, looking nice. I mean, I know we in lunch hours right now, so the volatility may change up a little bit because now it's lunch hours. Because you got to think about the people that's now possibly selling their positions, not going to lunch. So, the morning volume may start to change as we come into the second half of the market. So just keep that on watch. So we know we're going into the second half of the market. We know we got to get back up. We got to get above 72.50 for that continuation up to 74 to 76. And for the second half of the market, to get that continuation from the first half of the market to the second half as we push our way up 74, 76. So, so it's lunch hours. So I'm about to soon go take my lunch too, guys. I'm gonna soon be heading on out. I do have to run a few errands too. I was waiting on that 244.50. God, I was waiting on that 244.50 to hit. I was waiting on it. Meta still waiting on 630. I mean, we hit majority of all my alerts that I called out. Okay, so guys, y'all like the little pre-market thing? I mean, that was my first time doing that this morning, just to see, if I can alert everybody ahead of time before anything happens. So if y'all want me to continue to keep doing that, I'll do that every morning. As far as Patreon and Discord and so forth, when I'm alerting everybody like ahead of time, like a little pre-market drawing and so forth. I'll continue to do it. If y'all like that, I'll do it. That was my first time doing it, so I just wanted to see if everybody was gonna like it. So I guess everybody did. So they banked off of it. I might as well keep doing it. All right, come on. Damn, man. Just disappointing me right now.
Lucky NW5TD says. Done for the day. Thanks always, my man. Jay, bless you and the family.
Man, you too, boss. And hey, look, you gonna be here tomorrow? Or y'all going? Y'all leaving early?
Jingle
get on the road.
5748.
Okay, I got you. Okay, I got you. Okay, I'll keep putting it every morning. I got you. I'll do it every morning. Okay, I'll draw it. I'll post as much as I can early in the morning pre-market.
Queen 39-42 says. Tarek, are you in Discord?
Yeah, he's in my Discord. Underneath Financial Wiz. So yeah, he's in the Discord, Queen. He's in there. Oh, and for those who let me repost the Discord link too for those, because I had to restart the live because I was having issues before. So let me go ahead and restart the library. I mean, let me go ahead and put the new link. Oh, gotcha. Oh, gotcha, Taylor. I got you. Gotcha. All right, so I posted the new Discord link. I got the new Discord link. I got you. And there goes Spy. Oh, let's see. Is it gonna hit my next alert? 74. Look like Spy going for it for my next alert. I'm still waiting on. Come on, IWM. God dog it. I see the bull flag in you.
NW5TV says, he'll be here tomorrow waiting on your pre-market. Got to make that Christmas gift money.
Man, I got y'all, bosses. I got y'all. We'll see where we go. So look like, as I do close out today, the range going into tomorrow, as long as you know, for the second half of the market, the level that we want to hold.
42 says,
Financial Wiz.
What's his name in Discord? I have learned a lot from him. Supply demand.
Yeah, Financial Wiz, Queen. Financial Wiz. I'm still waiting, man. I still want to see that. Yeah, look, we almost 10 cents away from my alert. 2 alerts. 2 of them. We're about $1 away from one and about 10 cents away from the other one. So that's the IWM. Come on, man. Come on. And we're not too far from my 6:30 alert on Meta. Which one? God dang, boy. They put him in a tough position before I head out. Which one gonna hit? Come on, man. Let's see. Because that bad boy is still squeezing. Spy is still squeezing. Now look at this. This been on a bullish run. Still going. That is crazy, man. Come on, IWM.
39-42 says, okay, thank you so much to him.
Yeah, man, anytime, Queen J. Go into Discord, give me that. Show him some love. Still squeezing. Oh, Queen, but did you catch all my alerts this morning that I put out for everybody? I helped him make about 15,000 and just I helped him make another one not too long ago. On Spy. So, and we're still pushing. Ooh, we almost to it. Uh-oh, there we go. IWM, baby. IWM. Let's see if we're going to fit it. Come on. Come on, man. Come on. Stop. Hit it, man. Hit it. Spy look like it's on his way. Still watching that one. This is crazy. This is crazy work. Come on, IWM. 8 cents away. 8 cents away. 6 cents away. 6 cents away.
Queen 39-42 says, yes, thank you.
No problem at all, Queen. Dang, come on, man. Come on. What we got on this one? Bro, 60, almost 60 cents. 60 cents. Man, which one is gonna hit my alert? I got 3 of them. Spy, IWM, and Meta. Which one? Look like Meta getting closer. I mean, but the thing about it, like IWM is like right there. It's like we're damn near like almost 6 cents away from it. Come on, man. And just so y'all know, I'm not lying. But that's 244.50 on IWM. I'll show y'all my proof. Like I said, I sent it right out to Tariq. My proof is right here. That was this morning since 7:31 a.m. IWM. Buyers need to break and hold above 242.50. If buyers can successfully hold that level, then we could possibly see the levels of 244.50 to 245. And y'all can see right here, 244.50. That was one of my areas that I called out. So, and we right by it. Uh-oh, I think we about to hit it. Oh, man. Oh, IWM complete. Done. Spy wants some other alert. Uh-oh, Meta. That's 2. That's 2. Come on, Meta. Damn, boy. That's 1 down. IWM complete. Come on, Meta. Meta and Spy. My last 2 ones. Come on, man. My last two. So IWM is done. We already completed that. That alert hit. That alert just hit. Come on, Meta. Come on, Meta. 630, baby. 630. We almost about 50 cents away from my 74 on SPY, because that's going to be another alert I put. Remember, I told you, I had the 672.50 pivot, and then I had 74 to 76. So, even if we don't get all the way up to 76, just for example, I know I covered 2 price points so far. Before I say how high we can go. I'll take that. Bump it. I'll take it. But at least I told y'all. Come on, man. 50 cents away. 50 cents away. 74. 50 cents away. 50 cents. Come on, baby. Oh, 40 cents away, baby. 40 cents away. And Meta, stop with you and your damn foreplay. 40 cents away, baby. And to show my proof, 74. Now, you know me. I prove myself. You know I don't lie to y'all. I don't lie. Let me go to my Patreon and my Discord. I don't lie to y'all. And look what we pushed up, 30 cents away. Woo! Woo! I told you I don't lie to y'all, man. Look at this. Look at this. Let's go to it. Patreon, baby. All right. And we almost there. 25 cents away. Uh-oh. Look right here, guys. I don't want to block it. I want to block it. I want to block it. Bam. SPY. Right here. Longs. We get that, again, we hold that 670 level for the possible potential push to 672.50. We already got. Next level, 674. There go my proof. All the levels that I was calling out since this morning. There y'all go. So y'all know I ain't lying. So there you go. Right in your pockets. Money in y'all pockets for the holidays. Y'all welcome. Happy Thanksgiving. So y'all welcome. Early Christmas or wherever you want to spend your money. But again, congratulations to all of you guys, man. Job well done, man. Job well freaking done. Y'all killed it. Y'all killed it. Y'all definitely killed it. Job well freaking done. I'm about to soon be out of here, guys. About to soon be out. I think Meta may hit first. I think Meta may hit my alert first. I think Meta before SPY. Let's see. Because it's right there. Right around 6. It's right around 6:30. So we already knocked out our IWM. That's done. About 8 cents away. 5 cents away. I'm watching Meta. That'll be alert number 2. Alert number 2. 4 cents away. Oh, come on. Come on, Meta. Come on, come on. I was close. I was close. Oh, so close. So close. So close. Before I leave, okay, what levels? Let's see. Oh, what do we need to hold? I'm gonna try to update the charts, even in Discord and Patreon. I'm gonna do as much as I can for the second half of the market. Levels that we need to focus on right now, the range that we're in right now, is gonna be between, at this moment, it's gonna be between 672.50 to 674. So kind of like it right in this range. So we just want to stay on top of this pivot point, utilize 672.50, and try to go for that 74 break on up. If we can get that break, the next key level we're gonna have room up to is 74.50 up to that 76. So keep that on watch. So we're right here at 74. We right there. We haven't broken yet. We haven't broken it yet. I'm still watching Meta though. Meta like right at it. Like right at that 630 level. I'm looking right at it. I'm looking right at that bad boy. Let me matter of fact, let me move it over this way. Let me move it over this way. I mean, Meta is like right there. Right where my alert is at. Alright. That should be it, guys. I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Go ahead and, I got some errands to run and go enjoy my lunch. But I want to be here with you guys for the beginning of, the beginning of the market to try to help out as much as I could. I know I didn't jump on my live stream right at 9:30, but I did alert you guys through Patreon and Discord to tell you guys what levels to watch out for. So I did do that. And congratulations on those who executed and played off of those areas damn near to a T. So shout out to all of y'all. You guys are doing a job well done. Man, keep up the great work, and we're going to keep pushing, man. Congratulations to everybody, man. Let me give some love to the team, man, because you guys are doing an amazing job. So W team, W mods, and shout out to Naughty for the sub, for the sub. Thank you so much, Queen. Appreciate you. Definitely appreciate you. And guys, if you are new to my channel, man, guys, please do your boy a favor. Man, it's free 99. Hit that subscribe button, please. If you're already subscribed, hit the like and comment. Again, I'm trying to push out as much, valuable content for you guys as much as possible to help try to put money in you guys' pockets, man. I love you guys to death. Y'all know what time it is, man. If you're on Twitch, subscribe to avoid the ads because I am a part of the program. But, man, I definitely thank you guys for the love and support that you have been showing me, man. I'm not going to let you guys down. I'm going to keep rocking with you guys till the wheels fall off because, again, there's no Jtraedz without you guys, man. Thank you guys so much. And we're going to keep it going, man. We're going to definitely keep it going, man. We on that road. Start getting monetized for these videos on YouTube. We're almost close to 1,000 subs, man. So, y'all keep smashing that sub button. Tell your family member. Tell anybody else. Man, hit that sub button, man. Jtraedz is on his way to 1,000 subs, so I can start getting monetized for these videos. But other than that, man, but thank y'all so much for everything that you have been doing for me, guys. I thank y'all and I love y'all. I definitely appreciate y'all. God bless you and your family, man. Oh, did we gap up? So it gapped up on Spy. Look like Spy's still trying to go for that 74. But guys, thank y'all so much for everything, man. I definitely appreciate you.
2202 says.
Aussie, appreciate you.
You're the best, Jay. Have a blessed day. Thanks for all you do.
Man, Queen, and thank y'all so much, man. Again, I wouldn't be doing this if it wasn't for you guys, man. Lucky, Aussie, Queen, Tariq, all of you guys, man. Y'all all play a major role in my life as well. And I couldn't ask for a better team. I'm truly grateful and truly blessed to have you guys in my corners. So thank you guys so much. And I'm never going to let you down. If I got to put in the net, all the work, even over the weekend while y'all Netflix and chill, nothing wrong with that. I don't mind doing it, man. Anything to help you guys get ahead in life, get ahead as far as your trading career, anything I can do to, help your life a little bit better, I'm here for it, man. Y'all here for me, I'm here for y'all. So thank y'all for everything that you guys do. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much, man. So I'm about to go ahead and be heading on out, guys. Don't forget, tomorrow is our last full trading day before the holidays, which is Thursday. Friday is going to be half a day. The market will be closing at 1 o'clock, so don't forget about that. I don't think we have anything, before I do head out, I don't think we have anything major coming out. I don't think so. As far as economic, because I know we had a lot of delays again today. Let's see. Tomorrow. See, look at that. Durable goods already delayed for tomorrow. Meta, that's 2. Last one is SPY 74. So my alerts didn't hit for IWM, Meta, and SPY's almost at that 74. That'd be alert number 3. All right. So let's see for tomorrow. Durable goods orders canceled. What else we had? Jobless claims 8:30. Look like that still may be going on. Again, if it does come out, I'll post the links, guys, for you guys. As far as the data, y'all already know. Retail sales, wholesale inventory. Then we got the Chicago PMI 945. Look like everything may still be in play, other than the durable goods they delayed. But I'm gonna see if it comes out or not. So there's no delays yet as far as jobless claims, GDP. Like I said, wholesale inventories, retail sales. But once they come out, I will post it, Discord, Patreon, and all of that. If it does come out without no damn delays, because you know how they've been doing. They've been delaying a lot of stuff. But and don't forget, Thursday is a holiday. That's why I don't have nothing coming out. And then Friday, half a day. So other than that, guys, let me go ahead and rock and roll. Oh, we almost to that level too. Let me see. I just want to see, can we get it? Can we get it? If we hit that 74, I would go to my lunch lobby so we can celebrate with the fake champagnes in the background. It's so we can leave on a good note. Let me see. Let me see if we can hurt me get it. Come on, 74. In the lunchroom lobby real quick before I, chunk everybody to deuce. We almost there. 74, man. We almost there, man. Can we
get... says, later. Thanks.
No problem at all, Taylor. I'm trying to see if we're gonna hit this level so we can go to the lunchroom live and celebrate. Cause 3 alerts. Let's see, can we get it? Cause we already got, again, IWM is complete. Meta's complete. I'm waiting on SPY. Cause remember, we already called out like 3 alerts on, 2 alerts so far on SPY. It was the 7250 and 74 to 76. But right now, I'll take 2. I just want to get this last one. 10 cents, 9 cents. Come on, Spy. So we can celebrate in the lobby with my family. Come on, baby. Come on. Boom! Boom! Told you, 74, baby. Let's go celebrate, man, before I head on out, man. Let's go, man. Let's go celebrate the right way. Let's take our little digital champagnes and just toast, baby. Let's toast to the good ones. Let's toast to the good ones. Let's go to the lunchroom lobby. Before I head on out, let's go. Let's go. All right, guys, we in the lunchroom lobby, man. Shout out to everybody who came through. We did it. We done cleared out all the alerts. Man, again, there's no me without you guys. Thank y'all so much. We're going to keep killing it. Job well done to everybody, guys. I will be back in tomorrow. Like, again, y'all want me to post those Discord messages. I'll keep doing that, and for Patreon early in the morning for pre-market. And we'll keep rocking and rolling. Congratulations on everybody, though. But, yeah, guys, I'm about to be heading on out, man. And I'll see y'all tomorrow for Wild Card Wednesday, the last full trading day of this week before the holidays kick in, man. So y'all know what I'm about to say before I head on out, man. Maximize your reward, minimize your risk. Always put great over greed, and you will succeed every single time. Till then, guys, y'all have a blessed night, and I will see y'all tomorrow for Wild Card Wednesday. Love y'all. Peace.
Subscribe for more content.